Rust Cohle thinks he's an atheist. He isn't. He's one of the most religious characters on television. He rejects God, but not the light. When Rust walks into that tent, he believes he's the only rational man in the room. He sees believers. He sees superstition. He sees weakness. Heaven, hell, sin. To him, fairy tales for people afraid of the dark. But what if he misunderstood what those symbols were actually describing? Rust rejects religion because he thinks it's literal. A man in the sky, fire under the earth, reward, punishment, forever. And if that's all religion is, then he's right to reject it. But here's the problem. Rust takes the symbols literally in order to dismiss them. And that may be the most religious mistake of all. Rust has seen hell. Not underground, not after death, in abused children, in ritualistic violence, in the hollow eyes of broken men. And that is not theology, that's psychological reality. Because hell is fragmentation of the soul. Hell is consciousness turned against itself. Hell is meaning collapsing inward. And Rust, he lives there. Rust claims to reject belief. He calls consciousness a tragic misstep in evolution. He believes existence is a mistake. He believes humanity should stop reproducing. But listen carefully. Time is a flat circle. That isn't neuroscience, that's myth. The eternal recurrence, endless repetition, cosmic punishment. Rust didn't escape religion. He replaced it. The preacher speaks of sin, and Rust laughs. But what is Rust's worldview? Humanity is corrupt? Consciousness is flawed? We should not continue. That's original sin language. He removes the deity, but he keeps the structure. He rejects the symbol, but he keeps the metaphysics. And that is the irony. But here's the tension. Rust's philosophy sounds airtight. Consciousness is a mistake. Humanity should not continue. Death is mercy. But watch what he actually does. He keeps working. He keeps caring about the case. He keeps trying to stop harm. If nothing matters, why fight? If existence is a mistake, why protect it? That's not indifference. That's belief. Rust's nihilism isn't false, but it isn't complete. The shift at the end of the season isn't a reversal. It's a revelation of something that was already there. Rust almost dies. And in the darkness he has worshipped his entire life, something unexpected happens. His daughter, warmth, love. Not argument, not philosophy, experience.
Once there is only dark. Yes, any lights winning.
That sentence changes everything. Rust Cohle, the man who mocked heaven, affirms light. Not as doctrine, but as lived truth. He rejected God, but he never escaped belief. Because every human being believes in something. Darkness, meaninglessness, or light. Maybe heaven and hell were never really about geography. Maybe they were maps of the psyche. And maybe the most dangerous illusion of all is believing you have none.